Foreign exchange or forex refers to the exchange and conversion of currencies. The foreign exchange market, also known as the over-the-counter market, is a worldwide decentralized market for currency trade. Any currency's foreign exchange rate is determined by its demand. It encompasses all factors of purchasing, selling, and trading currency at present of fixed rates. The daily volume of trades on forex can exceed 4 to 5 trillions per day. So, before dealing the forex, it's important to have an understanding of the market. An investor should be aware that there are several explanations for the exchange rate fluctuations. From the dealing session, I learned that trading can be very stressful and difficult. Most people avoid capital markets because they find the following ups and downs of the market, and they have to make the correct choices at the right time. So even if we were doing a simulation, the case we were given and the quantities of currencies we had to exchange made it clear how stressful it would be with real money. So to conclude, the financial markets are not completely predictable and there are still threats and uncertainties. But despite the uncertainty and the fear that the individuals and companies can experience while entering these markets, financial markets such as the forex market may provide individuals and business with some very valuable resources to reduce, diversify, and mitigate the risk, allowing them to make more money. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in an almost immediate and profound economic upheaval in many economies. In addition to the drastic health consequences for people all over the world, governments are looking for solutions to mitigate the disruption and effect of the health and economic problems on their population. COVID-19 has a great impact on the global economy. A lot of major industries came to a standstill. Usually the stock price declines in periods of volatility as buyers scramble for less risky alternatives. With the spread of COVID-19, buyers who had the target date or risk aversion to remain in the market were declining enormously as investments were sold out and safer returns were sought. Although COVID-19 pandemic has brought record changes in the stocks and shares, other investment markets also suffered. In general, lower interest rates will imply an increase in product costs as inventory funding becomes more appealing. Various reasons why there was a strong reaction from the stock market during the pandemic. The pandemic already has a significant public health consequence. On top of that, there was the importance of cross-border product movements in modern economies led by decades of decreasing shipping costs. All of them were blocked. Then the fear of change in the society also impacts the way the stock market fluctuates. So from a behavioral finance perspective, the social sentiments reflected by a large group of investors in response to an event has the ability to change the stock market condition, which was clearly seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. The study of the effect of psychology on the actions of investors or financial analysts is known as behavioral finance. Behavioral finance and trading psychology is associated with the mindset of the investor. According to trading psychology, traders usually lose money because of greed and fear. This is because of the various reasons that might influence the decision made by the individual. One of the common sentiments prevalent in the market is FOMO. Many traders buy after the rise in the market, resulting in emotional stress when the market corrects itself and there is a huge downfall in the market. Traders who are able to take advantage of the positive effects of psychology when balancing the negative aspects are well equipped to deal with the fluctuations of the stock market and improve their trading skills. Fear is one of the universal influences while trading. Due to fear, a trader might pull out early and might not wait for a profitable position. One major sentiment at the beginning of the session that took place in the class was fear. As we were beginners when it came to trading currencies, fear and uncertainty held us back. Apart from fear and greed, euphoria is another influencer. According to Lynn, she states euphoria as the queen of forex demons. In simple terms, euphoria is the hype and short-term gains that makes the position looks very attractive to the investors. Recently, this was also seen in the cryptocurrency market. Although profits can be achieved in a brief span of time, these benefits are normally the product of research and procedure that has consistently proven to make little sense. In case of a beginner trader who has no hard work and research experience, euphoria will be caused by a series of lucrative transactions as the trader is increasingly believed that his business knowledge is impeccable and the examination is perfect. Apart from bias observed from the dealing sessions, there are various other biases which influences the behavior of the investor. Familiarity, the gambler's fallacy, and the representative bias are some of the bias that affect the decision making of the investor. So, to conclude, investors have a variety of behavioral preferences that affect their investment decisions. Minimizing the role of emotions in trade decisions is a way to deal with the concerns involved with trading psychology. Corporate governance can be described as a foundation for financial success of the company, which can be achieved through corporate excellence. Corporate governance refers to rules, conditions, and criteria to monitor a company's performance. For a company's long-term success, good governance and corporate culture should work in tandem. They also promote confidence and openness with owners, directors, and employees. It means that everyone's priorities and incentives are compatible with the good cultural practices that control the organization. Corporate governance is more than just rules and policies. It is an important aspect that needs to be adopted in the corporate culture. Poor governance can greatly affect the reliability of an organization. Shareholders search for companies that value integrity and sustainability. Enron is a classic example of corporate governance failure. Even authorities didn't catch on to their illegal activities until the very end because the scope of their pervasion of accounting scandal was very vast and handled so deftly. Enron not only lacked good corporate governance, but they also participated in outright misleading accounting activities. When an investor decides to invest in a company, they have to check whether good corporate governance policies are followed. There are indicators that help the investors in making such decisions. One such indicator is ESG, Environment, Social and Governance. This index guarantees that a company's investment objectives and personal code of ethics match those of its shareholders. For example, the S&P 500 ESG index incorporates the social and environmental factors as well as the governance values to rate the corporate governance of a company. ESG ratings would be higher for an entity that determines the governance and how it is implemented. Investors should question the companies about their corporate governance policies, as it is vital for the company to use good governance practices that provide social and environmental policies.